My name is Zulli. I'm the founder of Middle Biochemistry, and I'm very glad that we have Phytoscience here today visiting Middle Biochemistry in Switzerland. We have a long-term collaboration for more than 10 years, and we are very happy that Phytoscience is using our ingredients, specifically the apple stem cells and the grape stem cells, which is going into the product. And we are very happy that we can continue this successful collaboration and that we have plans to launch new products based on our Gain product, which is a product for food supplements, stimulating hair growth, fighting hair loss, and there will be products for men and women. I'm really looking forward to this new opportunity in the market. Thank you for coming.
Thank you, Dr. Fred. Okay, thank you for the collaboration so far and for the support. Everything will grow more better.
Phytoscience!
We are the